This electric bike literally teaches you how to do wheelies. Antic Bikes is a minibike brand from Future Motion, the same company behind the Onewheel, and it's built for one thing: pure fun. Inspired by classic 1970s mini bikes, Antic combines old-school style with modern electric tech to create a ride that's playful, powerful, and surprisingly smart. At the heart of the bike is a one-wheel hub motor system paired with advanced battery technology. This setup delivers quick, punchy acceleration and top speeds of around 35 miles per hour. Wide, fat go-kart style tires give it serious grip, while adult-ready suspension and brakes keep the ride controlled and safe, even when you're pushing it hard. But the real game changer is one-wheel mode. This is a self-balancing wheelie system that helps almost anyone hold long, smooth wheelies with minimal experience. Instead of fighting the bike helps you balance, turning stunts into something you can actually learn and enjoy. This isn't just a car, it's a digital world on wheels. The Kia Vision Meturismo is a bold grand tourer concept unveiled to celebrate Kia's 81st anniversary, blending high-performance driving with an immersive digital lounge experience. It represents Kia's vision of a future where physical motion and virtual reality coexist seamlessly. The exterior design is defined by opposites united styling, featuring a dramatic Wrangler-inspired shark nose front, sharp aerodynamic fins, and ultra-slim LED lighting. Camera-based side mirrors replace traditional ones, while an elongated bubble-style roofline enhances visibility and futuristic appeal. Active air flaps dynamically adjust to improve aerodynamic efficiency at speed. Inside, the Vision Meturismo transforms into a mobile metaverse hub. A futuristic yoke-style steering wheel, side stick controls, and an advanced augmented reality head-up display redefine the driving interface. Smart glass surfaces throughout the cabin project interactive content, creating immersive digital environments above the road. This massive car ship doesn't burn fuel, it sails on the wind. The Oceanbird Orchell Wind is rethinking cargo shipping from the ground up. Developed by Wallenius Marine, this next-generation roll-off vessel is designed to move thousands of cars across oceans while dramatically cutting emissions. At 220 meters long, the Orchell Wind can carry around 7,000 vehicles in a single voyage. But what truly sets it apart are its 6 gigantic wing sails, each standing 40 meters tall. These sails rotate a full 360 degrees to catch wind from any direction and can tilt down when passing under bridges or during extreme weather. Instead of relying on heavy fuel oil, the ship uses wind as its primary power source, cruising at speeds of 10 to 12 knots under favorable conditions. This approach can reduce carbon emissions by up to 90% compared to traditional cargo ships, without sacrificing reliability. Scheduled to enter service in 2026, the Orchell Wind represents a major shift toward cleaner global trade. By combining modern sailing technology with large-scale shipping needs, it proves that even the biggest vessels on Earth can move toward a greener future. This isn't a drone, it's an airborne cargo truck that can lift more than most motorcycles. The DJI Fly Cart 100 is a heavy-lift delivery drone built for jobs where roads don't exist and helicopters are too expensive. Designed for industrial logistics, this drone changes how heavy cargo moves across mountains, forests, and disaster zones. At its core, the Fly Cart 100 can carry an 80-kilogram payload using a single battery, or 65 kilograms with a dual battery setup, reaching a massive 149.9 kilogram maximum takeoff weight. That's serious lifting power in a fully electric platform. In flight, it can travel up to 26 kilometers with no load, or 12 kilometers while fully loaded. It operates at altitudes up to 6,000 meters, pushes through strong winds up to 12 meters per second, and stays reliable thanks to its IP55 weather-resistant design. The drone uses large 62-inch carbon fiber propellers with coaxial rotors for stability and efficiency. For safety, it's packed with lidar, millimeter-wave radar, and precision sensors, giving it full 360-degree obstacle detection and avoidance. This flying car doesn't need a runway, and it can travel farther than most helicopters. The Aridge A868 is a next-generation hybrid electric flying car designed to redefine regional air travel. Developed by XPeng's aviation division, Aridge, this advanced aircraft is built specifically for air taxi missions, not personal hobby flying. What sets the A868 apart is its tilt-rotor V-layout design. Multiple electric rotors provide vertical lift for takeoff and landing, while separate forward-facing propellers handle high-speed cruise flight. This configuration eliminates the need for traditional runways, allowing the aircraft to operate from compact landing pads, urban rooftops, or remote locations. Powering the A868 is a hybrid extended-range electric system, engineered to deliver both efficiency and endurance. The aircraft targets cruise speeds exceeding 360 km per hour and a range of over 500 km, placing it well beyond the capabilities of most electric VTOL aircraft. This robot doesn't choose one body, it becomes whatever the task demands. The Tron 2 represents a major leap forward in embodied robotics, built around a revolutionary triform modular design. Instead of locking researchers into a single platform, Tron 2 transforms seamlessly, operating as a dual-arm manipulator, a bipedal walking robot, or a wheeled hybrid system, all from the same core architecture. In manipulation mode, Tron 2 features two 7-degree of freedom robotic arms with a reach of up to 70 centimeters, each capable of handling 10 kilograms of payload. This makes it ideal for precision tasks such as object handling, assembly, and human-robot interaction research. Switch to bipedal mode, and the robot uses visual planning and AI-driven balance control to climb stairs and navigate complex indoor environments. In its wheeled leg configuration, Tron 2 reaches speeds between 3 to 5 meters per second, while supporting payloads up to 30 kilograms, enabling fast, stable movement across mixed terrain. This water taxi doesn't cut through waves, it flies above them. The Artemis EF12 Escape is redefining luxury water travel by doing something remarkable. It lifts itself above the water. Using advanced electric hydrofoil technology, this next-generation water taxi glides silently over the surface, delivering a ride that's smoother, faster, and far more efficient than traditional boats. Once the hydrofoils deploy, the hull rises clear of the water. This drastically reduces drag, minimizes wake, and cuts energy use, allowing the EF12 to cruise effortlessly at speeds of up to 30 knots. The result is a calm, vibration-free experience that feels more like flying than boating. Designed for premium transport, the EF12 Escape can carry 12 passengers plus crew, making it ideal for resorts, coastal cities, and private operators. On a single fast charge, it offers a range of around 52 nautical miles, all while producing zero emissions and almost no noise. Its sleek, modern design pairs perfectly with rapid charging and low operating costs, proving that sustainability doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or performance. The Artemis EF12 Escape isn't just an electric boat, it's a glimpse into the future of clean, high-end water transportation. This car is made for city streets, weekend trips, and the planet. The Deia Hipster concept is all about style, practicality, and sustainability for modern urban living. With its compact, aerodynamic design, it's easy to navigate tight city streets while keeping its environmental footprint low. Inside, the cabin is modular and smart, with flexible seating and eco-friendly materials that make every ride both comfortable and responsible. Advanced infotainment systems keep you connected, while the interior's adaptability means it's ready for commuting, shopping trips, or weekend adventures. Despite its eco-friendly focus, the hipster concept doesn't compromise on versatility or technology. Whether it's maneuvering through traffic or carrying gear for a spontaneous getaway, it adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle. This concept car showcases Deia's vision for the future of urban mobility, a vehicle that's affordable, stylish, and sustainable, built to meet the needs of city dwellers who want more than just a way to get from A to B. What if humanity didn't just visit space, but learned how to live there? NASA's vision of a habitable solar system is about one bold idea: making human life sustainable beyond Earth. Instead of short missions, this plan focuses on building permanent, self-sufficient outposts across multiple worlds. A key part of the strategy is using local resources instead of hauling everything from Earth. On the Moon, NASA plans to mine water from lunar ice, turning it into drinking water, oxygen, and even rocket fuel. This alone could dramatically reduce the cost of deep space missions. On Mars, future astronauts could live in habitats built with 3D printed Martian soil, using the planet's own regolith as radiation shielding. These structures would be powered by reliable nuclear energy, ensuring constant electricity even during long dust storms or dark winters. What if you could build a self-driving car on your desk? Mentor Pi is an advanced open-source robot car platform built for people who want to move beyond basic kits and dive into real robotics and AI development. Powered by the Raspberry Pi 5 and fully compatible with ROS 2, it offers a serious playground for learning how autonomous systems actually work. This platform supports SLAM mapping, allowing the car to build and understand its surroundings in real time. It can handle autonomous navigation, recognize objects using YOLOV 5, and make smart decisions as it moves, just like a real self-driving vehicle, but scaled down for experimentation. Mentor Pi comes in 2 versions: a Mecanum wheel setup for smooth, precise movement in any direction, and an Ackerman steering version that mimics how real cars turn. High-speed motors with encoders ensure accurate control, while lidar sensors and 3D depth cameras give the robot a clear view of the world around it. What if a single trailer could lift, load, and transport massive cable drums, without cranes or extra crews? The Hammar drum loader is a specialized self-loading cable drum trailer developed by Hammar Maskin AB, a Swedish manufacturer well known for advanced side loaders and self-loading transport solutions. Built specifically to handle large cable drums, coils, and reels, this system combines lifting and transport into one efficient machine. Using a side loader-style hydraulic lifting system mounted on a custom chassis, the drum loader can lift massive drums directly from the ground in a horizontal position and place them securely onto the trailer. This design eliminates the need for cranes, forklifts, or additional handling equipment, reducing both manpower and operational complexity on site. With lifting capacities starting at around 35 tons and higher capacity options available, the drum loader can manage a wide range of drum sizes. Adjustable supports and hydraulic top spreaders add flexibility, allowing safe handling of different reel diameters and weights. Certain configurations can even transport 20-foot containers, increasing versatility beyond cable operations. What if your yacht looked less like a boat, and more like a spaceship floating on the ocean? The Royal Alpha 1 is a luxury yacht concept that completely reimagines what life at sea can look like. Designed by an Italian studio known for bold ideas, this yacht blends futuristic style with advanced marine technology. Its smooth curves, massive glass panels, and sleek profile make it look more like a spacecraft than a traditional yacht, while also flooding the interior with breathtaking ocean views. The upper structure is built from carbon fiber and glass, keeping it strong, lightweight, and visually striking. Power comes from high-performance engines that push the yacht to speeds of up to 42 knots, while an optional fully electric, hydrogen-based system offers a cleaner, zero-emission way to cruise the seas. Step inside, and it feels like a private jet on water. The interior features luxury seating, elegant dining areas, and open lounges designed for comfort and style. Below deck, there are 3 private bedrooms, each with its own bathroom, plus a full kitchen and space for crew. And then there's the highlight, the rooftop glass-bottom jacuzzi, paired with sunbeds, creating one of the most relaxing spots imaginable. What happens when a classic Jeep meets extreme modern off-road engineering? The Black Ops 4X4 CJ7 is a heavily customized version of the legendary Jeep CJ7, rebuilt to dominate terrain far beyond what the original was ever designed for. Crafted by Black Ops 4x4, a specialist shop based in Southern California, these builds focus on transforming vintage Jeeps into high-performance off-road machines without losing their iconic character. What sets the Black Ops CJ7 apart is the depth of modification. Reinforced frames, upgraded suspension systems, and massive off-road tires give it the strength and articulation needed for extreme trails, rock crawling, and desert runs. Some builds push the limits even further, with reported setups producing up to 600 horsepower, paired with heavy-duty Dana 80 rear and Dana 70 front axles for serious durability under load. One standout example gained national attention at the 2015 SEMA show, where its aggressive stance and rugged detailing highlighted both form and function. What if your excavator could work all day, all night, without a driver in the cab? The built Robotics Exosystem is reshaping modern construction by converting conventional excavators into autonomous work machines. Rather than forcing contractors to replace entire fleets, this retrofit solution upgrades existing equipment, bringing automation directly onto active job sites. Tasks such as trenching, foundation excavation, and large-scale earthmoving can be completed with minimal human intervention. The system integrates cameras, GPS, advanced sensors, and onboard computing to read terrain, follow digital construction plans, and execute operations with high precision. Once deployed, the exosystem delivers consistent, repeatable performance while eliminating fatigue-related errors that often occur during long manual shifts. Machines can operate continuously, improving productivity and reducing project timelines. Safety is a core focus. Real-time monitoring systems track surroundings to detect obstacles, workers, and nearby equipment, helping reduce on-site risk. What does it take to survive and win when the desert pushes machines to their limits? The Ceccanti Racing 6142, often referred to as the Evolution Ceccanti Racing 6142, is a purpose-built off-road race vehicle engineered for extreme endurance and high-speed performance in some of the harshest terrains on Earth. Piloted by the Ceccanti Racing team, this machine has proven its capabilities in demanding desert competitions, where reliability matters just as much as raw power. Its strongest asset is durability. Built with a reinforced chassis and an advanced long-travel suspension system, the 6142 is designed to absorb brutal impacts while maintaining control over rocks, sand, and uneven ground. These qualities were put to the test in iconic events like the NORA 500 and the 2019 NORA Mexican 1000, races known for punishing both drivers and machines over long distances. Each appearance in competition reinforces the vehicle's reputation as a serious contender, capable of sustaining speed without sacrificing structural integrity. The Ceccanti Racing team's consistent performance highlights not only skilled driving, but also meticulous engineering and preparation. What if the roof of your vehicle could become your most powerful piece of adventure gear? The FrontRunner Slimline 2 is a rugged, adventure-ready roof rack system built for drivers who take their vehicles far beyond paved roads. Constructed from high-strength aluminum and finished with a durable black powder coating, it offers an ideal balance of toughness, corrosion resistance, and lightweight performance for demanding environments. What truly sets the Slimline 2 apart is its fully modular platform design. Adjustable slats and integrated T-slot channels allow users to customize the rack to their exact needs, making it easy to mount tools, recovery gear, camping equipment, or specialized accessories with confidence. Whether you're building a full overlanding setup or a work-focused loadout, this system adapts effortlessly. Despite its strength, the Slimline 2 maintains a low-profile design that helps preserve vehicle aerodynamics while still providing a solid, full-length cargo surface. This smart design minimizes wind resistance and noise without sacrificing carrying capacity. What if one trailer could handle oversized loads without sacrificing control, compliance, or efficiency? The Faymonville Multimax Plus is a semi-low-loader trailer purpose-built for heavy and specialized transport where adaptability and performance matter most. Developed by Faymonville, it is designed to move construction machinery, lifting equipment, and oversized cargo while maintaining excellent maneuverability on the road. One of the standout strengths of the Multimax Plus is its weight-optimized structure, which allows operators to carry higher payloads without exceeding transport regulations. This efficiency directly translates into fewer trips and lower operating costs. Its low loading height makes transporting tall or heavy machines easier and safer, reducing loading time and improving overall workflow. The trailer is available in multiple axle configurations, enabling it to adapt to a wide range of transport demands. Extendable deck options provide additional platform length when required, giving operators the flexibility to handle varying load sizes. Drive-on-loading solutions, hydraulic lifting features, and strategically placed lashing points ensure cargo remains secure and stable. What if your regular tractor could become a full-scale recovery truck and switch back again in minutes? The Holmes DTU, or Detachable Towing Unit, is a modular recovery system designed to turn a standard tractor into a powerful towing and rescue vehicle, without committing to a permanent wrecker build. Instead of replacing the truck body, the DTU mounts directly onto the tractor's fifth wheel plate and locks securely in place with a front stabilization bracket, creating a fully self-contained recovery setup. At its core is a heavy-duty planetary winch rated at 20,000 pounds, with an optional upgrade to 25,000 pounds for more demanding recoveries. The integrated hydraulic lift and underlift assembly allows operators to hook up disabled vehicles quickly and securely, while hydraulic stabilizing legs deploy to maintain balance and control during lifts and pulls. The DTU's compact design minimizes rear overhang and improves axle weight distribution, resulting in better handling on tight urban streets and uneven recovery sites. But its biggest advantage is flexibility. The entire unit can be detached in minutes, allowing the tractor to return to normal freight operations without downtime. This machine doesn't drive on land or water. It floats over both at nearly 50 knots. The Griffin Hoverwork 1200TD is not your typical transport vehicle. It's a high-speed amphibious hovercraft built to move people and cargo across places where roads and waterways fail. What makes it special is its flexibility. Thanks to a modular interior design, the layout can be quickly adapted, whether it's carrying passengers, heavy cargo, or a mix of both. That makes it ideal for ferries, logistics, and remote operations. Power comes from two high-output diesel engines, delivering massive combined strength that pushes this hovercraft to speeds of up to 50 knots. That's incredibly fast for a vehicle of this size and capability. Instead of using 4 engines like traditional hovercraft, the 12000TD uses a smart hybrid drive system with just 2 engines. This reduces fuel use, lowers maintenance costs, and keeps the cabin noticeably quieter, making the ride more comfortable for passengers. This isn't a bus made for roads, it's a bus built to go where roads completely disappear. The Tarsus Ptorian is unlike anything you've seen before. This is a full-size bus designed to handle extreme off-road terrain, not city streets. Under the hood, it runs on a powerful diesel engine that delivers massive pulling strength, giving it the confidence to climb steep slopes, push through mud, and keep moving in harsh conditions. Despite its size, the Ptorian is built to be smooth and dependable, even when the terrain gets rough. Its suspension setup is designed for punishment. The front absorbs hard impacts, while the rear uses air suspension to keep passengers comfortable over uneven ground. With huge ground clearance, it can drive over obstacles that would stop normal vehicles instantly. This bus can also drive through deep water, handle steep angles, and stay stable on uneven slopes. Rugged tires provide strong grip on loose surfaces, while the climate-controlled interior keeps passengers cool, calm, and comfortable no matter how wild the environment outside gets. What if your boat didn't fight the water, but lifted above it and flew? The Proteus 360 is redefining what electric boating looks like. This advanced electric hydrofoil boat is built for smooth, quiet, and environmentally friendly travel on the water. Powered by an efficient electric motor, the Proteus 360 cruises comfortably at 20 knots and can reach speeds of up to 26 knots when it lifts onto its hydrofoils. Once airborne above the water, drag drops dramatically, giving you a ride that feels stable, fast, and incredibly smooth. Its lightweight design and smart foil system allow the boat to rise above waves, reducing noise and energy use. A large battery pack provides an impressive range, up to 85 nautical miles, and can be recharged in just 2 hours, making it practical for both short trips and longer coastal journeys. The Proteus 360 offers multiple driving modes, so you can choose how it behaves depending on conditions. Whether you're cruising calmly, foiling at speed, or transporting the boat, it adapts effortlessly. With precise electric steering, efficient cooling, and a sleek modern design. What happens when a family sedan is reimagined as a snow-dominating machine? The Nissan Ultima T AWD, often referred to as the Nissan Ultima AWD, is a striking concept vehicle that pushes the limits of what a sedan can be. Built as a one-off experiment, it transforms the familiar Nissan Ultima into a snow-ready, all-terrain machine by replacing traditional wheels with heavy-duty tracked units. The result is a car that looks unconventional yet performs with surprising confidence in deep snow. Designed to showcase Nissan's engineering creativity rather than for commercial production, the Ultima T AWD highlights the brand's advanced all-wheel drive technology and adaptability. Thanks to its specialized snow tracks, the vehicle can reportedly reach speeds of up to 100 km/h on snow, delivering smooth and controlled movement even in harsh winter conditions. The concept also emphasizes endurance. With an estimated driving range of up to 630 miles, it demonstrates how efficiency and extreme capability can coexist. While the Ultima T AWD itself isn't available for purchase, it serves as a bold statement of innovation and design exploration. When winter shuts everything down, this machine is just getting started. The Lynx Quadro is built for people who don't stop when the snow gets deep, they push farther. Developed in Finland, this all-terrain machine is designed specifically for harsh winter conditions. It's lightweight, tough, and perfectly balanced to move confidently through deep snow, rough trails, and frozen landscapes. What makes it stand out is how smooth it feels. Its advanced suspension system absorbs bumps and uneven ground, keeping the ride controlled and comfortable even when the terrain gets ugly. Paired with a wide snow track, the Quadro stays on top of soft snow instead of digging in, giving you better grip and stability. Inside the cockpit, it feels modern and rider-focused. A large touchscreen display with built-in GPS helps you navigate remote areas without guesswork. Heated grips and a heated throttle keep your hands warm, even in brutal cold, so you stay focused on the ride, not the temperature. What if a yacht looked this futuristic and moved this fast? The Latarini Padio is a bold hybrid yacht concept that pushes marine design into the future. Measuring 20 meters long, this yacht is built entirely from carbon fiber, keeping it lightweight, strong, and incredibly fast. With its powerful jet-driven setup, the Palladio can reach speeds of up to 55 knots, delivering a ride that feels more like a high-performance aircraft than a traditional yacht. One of its most striking features is the mouth-shaped front design, which isn't just for looks. Built-in air intakes on both sides keep fresh air flowing through the cabin at all times, improving comfort even at high speeds. Inside, the layout is surprisingly flexible. The main cabin seats 22 passengers, with space for 4 more in the front section, including the captain's chair. Smart design allows interior corners to transform into restrooms or dining areas, depending on how the space is being used. The rear section is reserved for crew and organized luggage storage. If carving sharp turns and feeling instant speed on the water is your thing, this jet ski was made for you. The 2025 Yamaha Jet Blaster Deluxe is built for riders who want pure fun, sharp handling, and total control on the water. At its heart is a powerful 4-stroke engine that delivers around 90 horsepower, pushing this lightweight machine close to 50 miles per hour. Acceleration is quick and smooth, thanks to a responsive jet pump that keeps power steady, even when you're riding aggressively. What really makes the Jet Blaster stand out is how precise it feels. Yamaha's control system lets you switch smoothly between forward and reverse, making tight turns, docking, and slow speed handling incredibly easy. Whether you're slicing through waves or maneuvering near the shore, it feels confident and predictable. Comfort hasn't been ignored either. The adjustable trim system lets you fine-tune how the craft rides, while grippy deck mats keep your footing secure during hard turns. A built-in reboarding step makes getting back on from the water quick and effortless. What happens when power, control, and value collide on the trail? The 2025 CF Moto Z-Force 950 Sport is a hard-hitting side-by-side built for riders who want serious performance without stepping into premium price territory. Priced around $15,300, it delivers impressive capabilities straight from the factory. At its core is a 963cc V-twin FE engine producing 83 horsepower and 63 pound-feet of torque, giving it the muscle to tear through mud, climb rocky terrain, and float across sand dunes with confidence. Its 60-inch wide stance, combined with 12 inches of ground clearance and aggressive 27-inch CST Stag tires, provides excellent balance and traction on uneven ground. The dual A-arm suspension paired with adjustable shocks helps absorb rough hits while maintaining control at speed. With 12.1 inches of front and 13.1 inches of rear wheel travel, the ride stays composed even on punishing trails. What if an expedition vehicle could travel farther, quieter, and deeper into the wild than anything before it? The Terranica Expedition ATV is a next-generation hybrid tracked vehicle engineered for extreme off-road exploration where conventional machines simply fail. Instead of a traditional drivetrain, it uses dual electric motors, one powering each track, delivering instant torque for climbing steep slopes and crossing soft, unstable terrain with confidence. Its 600 mm wide tracks and ultra-low ground pressure allow it to float smoothly over snow, ice, wetlands, and tundra, minimizing environmental impact while maximizing traction. Power comes from a smart hybrid system that pairs a 50 amp-hour traction battery with a 1.4-liter gasoline generator, enabling impressive long-range travel of 700 to 1,000 kilometers, depending on terrain and conditions. Built with lightweight materials and advanced thermal insulation, the Terranica performs reliably in harsh, cold climates. The enclosed cabin comfortably seats up to 4 people, and it can be reconfigured into a sleeping area for extended expeditions. Independent suspension and generous ground clearance ensure stability and control over rough, uneven ground. What if one vehicle could drive over rocks, snow, mud, and then float straight into water without stopping? The Sherp Pro 1000 is not your average off-road vehicle. This thing is built to go places where roads don't exist, and where most vehicles give up. It's powered by a strong, fuel-efficient diesel engine that delivers steady pulling power, whether you're crawling over rocks, pushing through mud, or moving through freezing terrain. No matter the climate, it's designed to keep going. One of its smartest features is the tire pressure system. With the push of a button, the Sherp adjusts its tire pressure on the move. That means better grip on soft ground, better balance with heavy loads, and smoother travel over rough surfaces. The body is made from lightweight aluminum, mounted on a corrosion-resistant frame. This keeps the vehicle stable, lowers its center of gravity, and helps it handle extreme conditions without tipping or struggling. It can carry up to 1,000 kilograms, climb over obstacles nearly 1 meter high, and, yes, it actually floats. In water, it cruises at about 6 kilometers per hour, making it truly amphibious. This boat doesn't cut through the water, it rises above it. The Candela C8 is changing the way we think about electric boats. Instead of pushing through waves, it lifts above the water using advanced hydrofoil technology, creating a ride that's smoother, quieter, and far more efficient. Powered by a large electric battery, the C8 can reach speeds of up to 27 knots and cruise comfortably at 22 knots with a range of around 57 nautical miles. Once it rises onto its foils, water resistance drops dramatically. That means less energy used, almost no wake, and a calm ride, even in choppy conditions. Built from lightweight carbon fiber, the hull is strong, agile, and designed for long-term durability. At 8.5 meters long, the Candela C8 comfortably seats up to 8 passengers, making it perfect for luxury day trips or smooth coastal cruising. Inside, everything is designed around comfort and modern simplicity. The ride feels more like gliding than boating, with none of the noise or vibration you'd expect from traditional engines. Quiet, clean, and incredibly smooth, the Candela C8 isn't just another electric boat. It's a glimpse into the future of sustainable marine travel. What if a jet ski could be fast, silent, and electric, without giving up the thrill? The NARC GT95 Electrojet is changing what a jet ski can be. This is an all-electric personal watercraft built for riders who want high performance without the noise, fumes, or fuel. It's powered by a 95 horsepower electric motor paired with a large battery, pushing the GT95 to speeds of up to 43 miles per hour. On a single charge, you can ride for up to 2 hours or cover about 31 miles, making it perfect for long, uninterrupted sessions on the water. Charging is surprisingly simple. You can plug it into a regular household outlet and fully recharge in about 6 hours, or use a fast charger to get back on the water in as little as 90 minutes. The hull is built from carbon fiber reinforced materials, giving it strength without excess weight, while its sharp, futuristic design turns heads everywhere it goes. Advanced stability technology keeps the ride smooth and controlled, even when conditions aren't perfect. Quiet, powerful, and clean, the NARC GT95 delivers pure excitement without the environmental cost of traditional gas-powered jet skis. What if grooming ski slopes could be powerful, precise, and completely emission-free? The Piston Bully 100E represents a bold step forward in snow grooming, combining professional performance with fully electric, zero-emission operation. Designed for sustainable slope and trail maintenance, this tracked snow groomer replaces traditional diesel systems with advanced electric motors that drive both propulsion and tilling, boosting overall efficiency by roughly 20%. One of its standout advantages is regenerative braking, which captures energy while descending slopes and feeds it back into the system, extending operating time. The high-voltage 800-volt battery delivers up to 3 hours of continuous operation, depending on terrain and workload. When it's time to recharge, a 150 kilowatts fast charging system can restore power in about 1 hour, minimizing downtime. Despite its eco-focused design, the Piston Bully 100E offers refined, professional control. Operators manage the blade and tiller using a responsive joystick, while the iTerminal touchscreen provides clear, real-time operational data for precise grooming results. Its quiet operation makes it especially well-suited for ski resorts, indoor slopes, and environmentally sensitive areas. What if coastal travel was as fast as flying, but silent, electric, and just meters above the ocean? The Regent Sea Glider is redefining how we move across water. This isn't a boat, and it's not quite an airplane, it's something entirely new. Designed for coastal travel, the Sea Glider uses a smart mix of boat hulls, underwater foils, and wings to skim just above the ocean's surface. Once it lifts, it flies only 30 to 60 feet above the water, using ground effect physics to reduce drag and boost efficiency. Its main model can carry 12 passengers and 2 crew, cruising at speeds of up to 160 knots with a range of 160 nautical miles on a single electric charge. And because it's 100% electric, it produces zero emissions, making it a cleaner alternative to ferries and short-haul flights. Takeoffs and landings are smooth thanks to retractable foils, while its quiet electric motors make it far less noisy than traditional aircraft. About 30 decibels quieter, to be exact. What if a single trailer could lift, load, and place shipping containers, without cranes, forklifts, or extra crews? The Steelbro Sidelifter is a purpose-built container handling system designed to simplify and accelerate modern intermodal transport. At its core is a powerful hydraulic crane setup that allows operators to lift, lower, and position ISO containers independently, eliminating the need for external lifting equipment at loading or delivery sites. Powered by a Kubota-driven hydraulic unit, the Sidelifter delivers smooth, reliable performance even in demanding work environments. With an outreach of up to 3.9 meters, it can safely access containers placed on the ground, rail wagons, or adjacent trailers. High-strength stabilizer legs, available in tilt and extend or bridge leg configurations, provide the stability required for heavy lifts and uneven terrain. Dual crane arms enable efficient container transfers and make it possible to stack containers when needed, adding valuable operational flexibility. Integrated safety features such as proximity sensors and container detection systems help prevent unsafe movements and support controlled, precise handling on site. What if your car didn't just drive on roads, but lifted off and flew over them? The Parajet Explorer isn't science fiction. It's a real vehicle that drives on land and flies through the sky. On the ground, it performs like a serious off-road machine. It can hit 85 miles per hour and go from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, giving it the kind of acceleration you'd expect from a sports car, not an adventure vehicle. But the real magic happens when it takes off. In flight mode, the Explorer reaches speeds of 50 miles per hour and can climb as high as 15,000 feet. With a flight time of around 2.5 hours, it gives you the freedom to explore massive landscapes from above, mountains, deserts, coastlines, all in one trip. Powering this machine is a lightweight rotary engine that delivers strong performance while staying fuel efficient. It's built to handle both rugged terrain and open skies without compromise. Priced at around €140,000, the Parajet Explorer isn't cheap, but it's not just a car or an aircraft. It's an entirely new way to travel. This electric boat didn't just break records, it shocked the entire racing world. The Jaguar Vector racing boat is a revolutionary vessel that proved electric power can dominate the water, not just compete on it. Developed by Jaguar in collaboration with Vector Racing, This sleek electric speed machine made history in 2018 by setting a world speed record, reaching an astonishing 88.6 miles per hour, or 142.6 kilometers per hour. That achievement instantly placed it among the fastest boats ever built, electric or otherwise. What makes this boat truly special is its technology. The Jaguar Vector is powered by advanced battery systems inspired by Jaguar's Formula E racing program. This motorsport-grade electric propulsion delivers massive torque, instant acceleration, and exceptional efficiency, all without burning a single drop of fuel. But this boat isn't just about speed. Its aerodynamic design and electric drivetrain represent a bold step towards sustainable marine racing. It demonstrates that high performance and environmental responsibility can exist together. The success of the Jaguar Vector racing boat marked a major milestone in marine engineering. It proved that electric boats are no longer experimental, they are the future of high-speed watercraft. Imagine driving through deep, frozen wilderness where normal vehicles don't stand a chance. The Tucker Snow Cat 2000 XL isn't just a vehicle, it's built for places where winter hits hardest and quitting isn't an option. This machine is designed to handle deep snow, brutal cold, and extreme terrain without breaking a sweat. It comfortably seats 4 people, making it perfect for work crews, rescues, or anyone who needs reliability far from civilization. Under the hood, it runs on a powerful diesel engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, giving it steady strength instead of jerky power. That means it keeps moving, even when conditions are at their worst. Inside, the fully insulated cab is built to protect you from freezing temperatures, keeping you warm while chaos rages outside. And those massive rubber tracks? They spread the weight perfectly, letting the snowcat glide over deep snow instead of sinking into it.